In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an Adobe subscription. If you purchase an Adobe subscription directly through Adobe, you can cancel it using the following steps. Visit Adobe account page in a web browser and sign in if needed. This will take you to the plain plans page, where you can see all of your active subscriptions. Find the subscription you wish to cancel and click Manage Plan. On the next screen, look for the box labeled End Your Service and then click Cancel Your Plan. Just note that if you don't see this option, Adobe may be processing your payment or a payment might have failed. Retry or update your payment information and allow up to 24 hours for processing. Adobe will list the services and features you'll lose by canceling. Click the Continue to Cancel button. Just now, review the details of your cancellation, including any eligible refund. Just scroll past any alternatives offers from the Adobe and click Confirm Cancellation. You will receive a confirmation email from Adobe, so return to your account's plan page to verify that the subscription is no longer active. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.